In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have a reusable, on-brand template you can drop into any campaign or flow with just a few clicks. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your home base, and everything we need is in the left sidebar. Open the Content drop-down there. This menu is where you manage all design assets, images, fonts, and, most importantly for today, templates. Go ahead and choose Templates to open your template library. You'll see any templates you've already saved, plus options to make new ones. Next, click Create. A panel will appear with different content types. Choose Email, so we're building a standard email template rather than something like an SMS layout. Then click Create again to jump into the editor. Once the editor loads, you're ready to customize. Think of this as your master design. The structure you'll use over and over, with only the messaging changing each time. Start by dropping in your logo at the top and setting your brand colors and fonts in the style settings. Getting these right up front saves tons of time later and keeps everything consistent. Build out a simple, reliable layout. A common pattern is a header with your logo, a hero image or headline area, a main text block, a clear call to action button, and a clean footer. Use the built-in blocks, text, image, button, divider, social links, and drag them into place. Keep copy sections short for readability, and give buttons action-oriented labels that make the next step obvious. As you style each block, watch line height, padding, and contrast so the email is easy to scan. Most subscribers will read on their phones, so toggle the mobile preview while you work and adjust spacing for smaller screens. If you're using personalization, insert standard fields like a first name where it makes sense, but avoid overdoing it. Clarity beats cleverness. Don't forget the footer. Include your company information and standard links, and keep the design minimal so the main content remains the focus. If your brand uses a secondary color, reserve it for accents like dividers or secondary buttons to create a clear visual hierarchy. Name your template clearly, something you and your team will recognize later, and save. Klaviyo auto-saves as you go, but it's still a good habit to confirm your changes before closing. That's it. You now have a polished email template ready for any campaign or automation. The next time you create an email in Klaviyo, select this template, update the content, and you're ready to send with confidence.